Hey there, viewers! Do you feel trapped in a body where back pain never stops? Then you're not alone. Back pain affects 80% of adults once, if not many times throughout their lives. If you have decided to go for surgery to get rid of back pain, then this video is just what you need. Chances are, you might not need it. Today, we'll be discussing some effective long-term solutions for back pain. Can acupuncture give your back a second chance? Can CBD oil revolutionize back pain treatment? We're discussing all that and more. But first, are you slouching while watching this video? If you're standing or sitting, make sure that your shoulders aren't slumped. Faulty posture could be one of the reasons for lower back pain. Incorrect posture can also make you feel lazy and off. In a short study, participants were put through an 8-week exercise program that focused on correcting posture. After the completion of the program, participants experienced complete relief from back and shoulder pain. Every time you notice your shoulders curving in and rotating forwards, you need to make a conscious effort to pull them back. It's most common for people to slouch in front of their desk. If you are tied to the desk for long hours, then a few wearable devices can help reinforce the right form. It will keep your shoulders from falling forward and maintain proper ergonomics. Moving along, did you know those hot dogs and donuts could be the reason for lower back pain? The importance of healthy food is often overlooked. Studies suggest excess carbs and sugars from processed food promote inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of back pain, and eating right is the easiest way to reduce it. You might want to switch to an anti-inflammatory diet. Wondering what that is? Well, it includes lots of fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, lean meats like fish, and whole grains. You can prepare delicious dishes with these ingredients. For starters, you can snack on whole grain crackers, add flax seeds to your smoothies, slide some sardines or salmon in whole wheat sandwiches, make chia seed pudding with chopped fruits and berries. The list goes on. You can even have dark chocolate and cocoa on this diet. Do you always have painkillers on you? A few anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen can bring quick relief to some types of back pain. There are also a couple of muscle relaxants that can make you feel better. Have them only when you have episodes of excruciating pain. You can have up to 3,200 milligrams of ibuprofen divided over 3 to 4 small doses in a day. Pills cannot be a long-term solution for chronic backache. You might feel great after popping a tablet, but it can silently start damaging your liver and kidneys. That's why it's best to talk to your doctor before self-medicating. The next game changer for backaches is acupuncture. This is not a trial and error method. In fact, it's an ancient science that originated in China thousands of years ago for holistic healing. It's now used in combination with other pain-relieving treatments for migraine, arthritis, neuropathy, and tendinopathy. The procedure includes using thin acupuncture needles that are inserted at strategic points and various steps on your body. These are called acupoints. The needles alter the pain sensation of sensory nerves belonging to the central nervous system and stimulate blood flow. They stay in place for 20 to 60 minutes depending on the health issue. Scientific studies have shown acupuncture to work well to relieve chronic low back pain. That means it's evidence-based and safe. The thought of poking your body with needles might be scary for some, but believe us, it only looks uncomfortable. The white acupuncture needles are super thin, and you'll hardly notice the mild tingling sensation. Is back pain still stopping you dead in your tracks? Then getting rid of your cigarettes might help. Data estimates that 13% of Americans are smokers. Many things go south in your body after smoking. It's not just cancer. It can even give you low back pain. The more you smoke, the higher the risk of back pain. There is promising science behind why this happens. Smoking changes the levels of nutrients and oxygen that your body absorbs. Nicotine amplifies pain and causes thinning of blood vessels. It significantly delays healing and increases the chances of degenerative lumbar spine problems. If you really want to quit smoking, join a support group or try nicotine replacement products. Your back will thank you later. These high heels look stunning, but could they be your reason for back pain? Are you thinking, this is definitely not me, I just wear flats? Well, guess what? Less than ideal flip-flops can also give you terrible lower back pain. Wrongly designed footwear can cause pain in your knees, hips, ankles, neck, and lower back. There are many reasons for back pain, including arthritis, narrowing of the spinal canal, bulging of a disc, or muscle pain due to overexertion. If you experience pain for more than 3 months, it's best to see a podiatrist. They are trained professionals that identify abnormalities in your gait and suggest specialized footwear. When your casual sneakers lack the support for your arch, custom orthotics and insoles can bring relief to your back in just 6 weeks. Thin-soled footwear can also alleviate back pain. If your house slippers are providing a false sense of cushioning, switch to footwear that provides a good shock-absorbing effect. A cork heel with good arch support will help too. Don't forget to make a quick visit to your chiropractor before going under the knife. Spinal manipulation can improve your functionality, reduce nerve irritability, and offer pain relief. Many chiropractors, physical therapists, and osteopathic doctors specialize in adjusting and stimulating your spine. It may involve a massaging technique to restore your back health too. Studies show spinal manipulation to be extremely therapeutic for low back pain. Physical therapy can also have you covered. A few stretches and exercises can build a strong core over time. A licensed physical therapist can always be around and guide you during sessions. People who regularly follow physical therapy were reported to have lesser risks of recurrent lower back pain and prevent the need for surgery. If you're still tight around the upper back and shoulders, your physiotherapist will give transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, or TENS, a shot. This is a battery-operated device that can allow you to reclaim your pain-free life. It has leads that are attached to sticky pads called electrodes. They can be directly attached to your skin on areas that are painful. The low-voltage electric current disrupts the pain signals from the trigger points. Significant release of endorphins also blocks the perception of pain. But you do have to be careful with this device. If you already have an electric device implanted in your heart like a pacemaker, then this method is probably not for you. Pregnant people, cancer patients, and folks with a history of epilepsy or bleeding disorders should also avoid using it. Do you know what else helps to release endorphins and kills pain? Regular exercising. Jogging, cardio workouts, weight training, aerobics, spinning, swimming, and so many other exercises help to release a burst of endorphins. These are the brain chemicals that are naturally produced in your body and reduce pain. Scientists found their composition to mimic opioid pain medications, so exercise your way to a happy back. Don't worry if you're not able to do an athletic workout because of back pain. Focus on low-intensity workouts, focusing on the neck, back, and hip muscles. It can slowly help you get rid of the pain and get a bendy body. Take frequent breaks and practice meditation. Your mental health and physical well-being are closely connected. Did you know extreme stress could be the reason for your sore back muscles? Studies show stress to heighten pain perception. It can increase tension in sore muscles. There are several ways of reducing stressors. Yoga and Tai Chi are relaxation methods to keep your mind off the pain. Dedicate at least 15 minutes for self-care. It might look different for everyone. Take a relaxing bath, make a meal, or listen to music. Catch up with colleagues and family. They can be your greatest support system. You'll feel recharged and refreshed after any of these activities. If the pain is causing frustration, depression, and anxiety, feel free to search for a rehabilitation psychologist. A positive attitude can play a big role in your weight gain. Chronic stress and a negative mindset can elevate cortisol levels. It can break lean muscle mass and cause weight gain. According to research, obesity is the primary reason for low back pain in men. Increased weight can exert undue pressure on the spine and strain your muscles. Reducing excess weight can help to pause back pain. Let's end this video with an oil that could be a breakthrough for your back pain. We're talking about CBD oil. It's extracted from the flowers, leaves, and stems of cannabis plants. It's quite different from the chemical THC that gives you a feeling of being high. The anti-inflammatories from this oil come together to heal back pain more powerfully. Putting a few drops of this oil under the tongue for a minute and then swallowing increases its efficiency. Studies show CBD reduces pain and brings a sense of calm. If you've been having disturbed sleep due to excruciating pain, then this oil can definitely help you cope. Your doctor may suggest nerve blockers and steroid injections when nothing seems to work, but CBD oil is a more natural alternative to the drugs and injections. Be sure to check the local laws, as CBD oil is not legal in all states of America. Did you know back pain could be due to nerve damage and diabetes? Finding the root cause can help you to get rid of the pain much more effectively. Have I caught your interest? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more pain-related videos, shall we? Watch 12 exercises to ease sciatic nerve pain, or 13 best ways to ease diabetic nerve pain. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn how to enjoy a pain-free life. Which of these methods are you eager to try? Let us know in the comments below.